Discover your genius in the kitchen. La Germania.
Here are instructions on how to insert the La Germania drying attachment that fits all 90 cm La Germania stoves. The hooks on the drying attachment fit into the oblong slots under the control panel. Insert the hooks into the slots and slide the attachment to the right so that it is sturdy. The attachment will then hold the oven door ajar while the rusks dry on the lowest temperature setting. Dunk and enjoy.
Discover your genius in the kitchen. La Germania.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for lots more tips and interesting information.